the art period. Everyone just take out your art book and open page number 11. And our today's topic is 3D cubes. In this topic, we are going to do some activity that is based on joining the dots. Here you can see join the dots. So let's start the instructions. Read it. Draw and color the 3D cubes by joining the dots as shown. Here you can see already one small picture is given. So just we have to follow this. Give 3D effect using light and dark shades of red. We have to use a red color to give coloring impact, light or dark. So let's start from here. Firstly, we count the dots in which place you have to start. Let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to start with 7th line. So and give count this space also. 1 in this line from where we can start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will start with 6 point. So in this dot, from this dot we will start. So start with here like this. यहाँ से शुरू करोगे, फिर बगल वाली लाइन में आपको डॉट्स में आना है. डाउनवर्ड, नॉट अपवर्ड. ओके, फ्रॉम द both side and make a square. Now skip one dot and match this portion with other dot like this. Done. Now again join this like this. Done. It is very easy and interesting also. Just join the dots and make a 3D cube like this, like this. Now this is completed. Now take red color. Here you can see this portion is showing with dark shade. So here you have to color it dark like this. Complete one portion. Alright. One by one you have to complete this picture. After completing one chord, just do it again. Now this is dark shade. Now here in this portion do light shade of red color like this. You can see the difference in between two shades. This is light and this one is dark. And this portion will be shade with dark shade. So just color it twist time. give a dark shade impression like this. And our classwork is completed. So you all have to do this in your classwork. I hope you all understand how to color it. And in your homework, move to page number 8 and 9. And this is your homework. Here you can see a complete picture, coloring picture is given. So you all have to just follow this picture and color it. Alright. Thank you students for attending this class.